Finally got some parts for the snowmobile that's been sitting here for a million years. Got pistons over there. Another cylinder. The cylinder that was on it had a crack. I think I caught that. I got the crank put in. New crank bearings. Seals. Both ends. The center ones were good shape. Not that I can do nothing. I'd have to send that out, but they were good shape. The out one, the PTO side bearing was gone. It come apart, and that's what locked the motor up. So we got her all cleaned out, put together, and getting some torque done on the water pump cover. See if I can do this one-handed. I might have to switch hands. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch hands. It's set at 12 Newton meters. Oddball shape to try to do this evenly. Alright. I think I got them all. Double check. Oh, not this one. Got all my parts from Utah Crankshaft. I've done a couple of these. Got stuff from them. They're always. I've gotten a couple cylinders from them. They're really nice work. I guess decent price for. Nothing's cheap anymore. They send good information with their stuff, torque specs, and